Hi there. Let's talk now about Viskon's half lap joint or halved scarf joint and how you can apply this. You find this command under the frontal dovetail joint, and if you click this command, you're gonna be prompted to select two of your elements facing towards each other, of course, touching each other's end. And here in the window, you can select the side, reference side. You can set the lap length. How long should they be overlapping? And of course, if you don't want these two parts to be symmetrical, you can tick these checkboxes and insert new data, something like this. And now you can create something really odd. But if you tick out these boxes, now it goes back to normal. You can put a drilling hole as well, and you can define how big is this hole, the diameter. And that's it. You can set it so that it's on the from the top to bottom as well. You can always customize it as you like with the drilling. Also, you can make a halved connection, a halved joint for two rafters connecting with each other on the ridge of the roof. You can make it by selecting half lap joint, selecting up here the create ridge half lap joint, and choosing two of our rafters. And as you can see, now we have a half lap joint in the ridge. You can set the angle if you want, you can set the back cut, etc. And that is how you make a ridge connection. And here you go. This is how you can use the halved joint in Viskon 16.